Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread rasmalai. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 8 to 10 slices of white bread, whole milk, and sugar for the sweet syrup. Don't forget a pinch of cardamom powder and a few strands of saffron for that authentic aroma. A handful of chopped nuts and a tiny bit of ghee will complete your ingredient list. This delightful dessert comes together quickly with these basic items. Now, let's prepare the delicious rabri, the creamy base for our rasmalai. Start by boiling about 2 cups of whole milk in a heavy-bottomed pan. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and stir until it dissolves completely. Continue to simmer the milk on medium-low heat, stirring frequently to prevent scorching. Once the milk reduces by approximately 1/3 and thickens, stir in your cardamom powder and saffron. This rich, aromatic rabri is the heart of the dessert. With our rabri ready, it's time to assemble these delightful treats. Take your bread slices and use a round cookie cutter or the rim of a glass to cut them into neat circles. Next, quickly dip each bread round into a little plain milk, just enough to moisten it, then gently squeeze out any excess liquid. Arrange these softened bread circles in a shallow serving dish. Finally, generously pour the warm, creamy rabri over all the bread pieces, ensuring they are fully covered. To finish, sprinkle your bread rasmalai generously with chopped nuts like pistachios and almonds for added texture and visual appeal. Now, the most important step: cover the dish and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time allows the bread to fully absorb the rabri and for the flavors to meld beautifully. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Serve chilled and enjoy this easy, delicious dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.